How to use the Received e-Invoice feature. This feature allows you to download received supplier e-invoices directly from MyInvois, view all downloaded e-invoices in one place, and convert supplier e-invoices into expense or purchase documents. Solution. Step 1. Ensure your company is connected. Before downloading supplier e-invoices, first go to e-invoice, then Settings, then Credentials. Confirm that your company is connected to the MyInvois production environment live. Step 2. Download supplier e-invoices. Navigate to e-invoice, then click Received e-invoice, then Audit Logs. Select the month you want to download and click Sync with MyInvois. The system will begin retrieving supplier e-invoices for the selected month. Check the download status. Once it shows completed, all supplier e-invoices for that month have been downloaded. Repeat the process for each month until all supplier e-invoices are retrieved. Step 3. View downloaded supplier e-invoices. Go to e-invoice, then Received e-invoice, then Documents. Select the desired date range. Click Inquiry to view the list of supplier e-invoices downloaded from MyInvois. Step 4. Convert supplier e-invoices into expenses. In the Documents tab, locate the e-invoice you want to convert. Under the Action column, click Convert. Based on the e-invoice type, the system will display available conversion options: invoice, credit note, and debit note. Select the document type you wish to create. The system will automatically map e-invoice details. Review the transaction. Select the supplier code. In the Details tab, system will auto-assign the stock code if it finds an exact match. For other stock items that are recorded with different stock names, you are required to assign the correct stock code and unit of measurement UOM for each of the items. Once you select the UOM, the amount will be updated. Once all details have been updated, save the transaction as usual. Converted tag in the document indicates that this transaction was converted from MyInvois downloaded e-invoice record. The record in Received e-invoice will now be linked to your created transaction. Clicking on it will redirect you to the transaction. With this process, you can keep your supplier e-invoice records accurate, convert them directly into expenses, and ensure synchronization with the LHDN MyInvois system, even with real-time daily updates.
Next generation of accounting. QNE AI Cloud, your partner in ensuring LHDN e-invoice compliance.